How's it going, everybody? I'm Dr. John Clayton, your Layton Chiropractor here in Utah at Supra Chiropractic. In today's video, I'll be showing you some scraping on the posterior or back of the neck for this patient, and that area is also going to involve the traps kind of into the shoulders a little bit as well. So we'll show you that, some trigger points, as well as the scraping, and then hope you guys enjoy the video. Check it out. And deep breath in here, all the way out. Deep breath in here, all the way out. And then lay on your, lay on your right side facing me. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Lay on your other side. Deep breath in here, all the way out. Then lay on your back for me. Let that relax there. Let that relax there. And scoot it for me a bit. And bring this out here. There we go. I don't know if I can adjust your fingers if that's there, right? Let that relax there. There. Geez, those are tight.
Yeah, they are.
Sorry, a little shock in there, right?
Oh, you're really fine.
Let that relax there. Okay, we're gonna do that pull real quick on you.
Okay.
Make sure your gum's just off to the side.
Okay.
So I'll make you swallow it, right?
Yeah.
Deep breath in here, all the way out. Good. And then put your feet out, kind of just, there you go. Nice and relaxed. And then hands, palms up in your lap right there. Sit up straight for me. There. Here. Yeah, usually it's not tight on both sides, so.
Yeah.
A little different. Okay. Let that relax, let it just kind of come all the way over there. Good. So when we work through this area back here, we're going to be doing kind of that posterior neck into the trap area. It's basically the whole trap if you look on a superficial basis, but we're going to kind of go deep into the posterior extensor muscles as well for the neck. So when we do this, we're just going to kind of warm up the area, get all of our emollient on there. And then a big thing that I notice nowadays in people is that every job mostly is in front of us, and so we're even having to look down at something, or we're having to use our cell phones, use our computers. When we're driving a lot, everything's in front of us, and so it's gonna pull our neck forward. So we're getting a lot of people that have this tension back here. A lot of people are actually developing a hump right there. So if you notice that in yourself, one of the things you're gonna wanna start doing is working on a lot of the back development through here, but then also positioning your neck back. And when you come into my office, I show a lot of my patients how to do this through a simple neck exercise. And I believe there's a YouTube video that I've made already on that neck exercise, but that's the best way to really help build back that area through there and help the posture of the neck. So we're gonna warm up the area through here, and then we just kind of work all the way through these muscles. I don't want to do too much cross fiber work. I'm just kind of working with the direction of the fibers of the muscles, especially as I get deeper into it. We're going to be only working through the direction of the fibers and no cross fiber work. So we'll show you at the very end what this looks like when we're all done, but that's mainly how we're going to work into that posterior neck and trap area, just like this. So one of the things you're going to want to rule out when you're doing work on the traps is going to be a lot of trigger points. And so what we found here is that we have a trigger point kind of on this outside trap as it kind of swings out here above the scapula. So when I get my trigger point tool, we're going to work through here and kind of dig in. And one thing you'll notice is that when you work on these areas, especially if you have pain in the neck area, if you actually do the trigger point and push on it and get it just right through there, that patient will actually feel the pain go up through that entire muscle as it radiates. And that does help you know that this is an issue caused by the trapezius muscle, and it's a referral pain that the patient's getting, but the problem can also be down here, or potentially the majority is down here in this area. And so make sure you rule that out when you're getting basically a massage through this area. If you have chronic neck pain, get all the muscles worked out as well as adjustments. All right, you guys got to hear the sound of this strap when we're scraping it. So check this out. Pretty gnarly. Hopefully the camera picked that up good. I feel like that one's almost tighter than the other one.
Ooh, feels like it.
Yeah. It's been compensating, I guess, right? All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video of me working on Kyla, and I'll link her Instagram here just so you guys can check her out. And if you're in Utah, around the area that she works in, kind of in that Davis County, northern Utah area, be sure to check her out and hit her up, and if you need your hair done. So again, I love making these videos for all of you guys to watch and to really see a kind of a different side of chiropractic. And I love doing stuff, you know, this kind of clamping stuff that I do where, you know, we put these clamps on our patients, and it's not just for, you know, fun and show. It's actually beneficial to the patient to help really break down the muscle tissue. We have a lot of people that come in with tight shoulders. This is one of the best things that I found that works for me, because after, you know, working on tons and tons of patients every day, you can't just sit there and squeeze with your hands and hope that you're actually going to have it work for a long time, because my hands give out about after like 30 seconds. And so it's so beneficial to use tools like this so that you can continue to do your job as a chiropractor, and so I can continue to do this for as long as possible. And so again, I love making these videos for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy them. Check out all the other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel if you want to see more videos. And as always, here at Supra Chiropractic, we've got your back and everything else. Have a good one, guys.